What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Caspians, I'm back with another video for you guys. Hopium Daily is back. Saw someone call me that in the comment section. Shout out to all the Caspians that support the videos, man. From Vids1258, Cast to the Moon, Haste, thanks for the Hopium Daily. Brazil, Kaspa, Alpha, Casper, GB, Bind the Dip, Clutch Hammer, Thumbs Up, and Loco saying first, man. Yeah, first. Nice stuff, man. Appreciate all the support that you guys are giving. Share it with the rest of the Caspians. Spread the videos out. Share them on Twitter. Like, actually take the video and share it on Twitter. You know, and leave your response like, oh, good video. Go support Blockchain Daily. Go like and subscribe to Hopium Daily. Right? Casper sitting at $429 million in market cap, down 6%, 12.7 million 24-hour trade volume. A lot of people were looking for an entry, man. You got two 2-cent Casper right now. Here is your entry. Here is your entry, guys. They got people saying, oh, they're bearish now. They see the retrace, they're like, oh, bring it down lower so I could buy cheap. Shout out to XO Jaguar for saying there's a cup and handle pattern. Boo, I love how every time there's a pullback, the bears come on here and comment real loud, but when it's pumping, y'all are quiet. Keep footing fat Casper so I can fill my bags. Exactly, man. And Alexander Cas, one of my favorites for the bull market. XC Noah Tricks, always Cass, always don't let the rotten fish misguide you. Exactly, man. But yeah, you can see, man, retrace back down. Let's see if we can see this cup and handle. Ooh, if you're talking like, you know, on a broader time frame, you could see this huge cup and handle pattern. If you're talking, if that's the time frame you're looking at, like, let's see, man, that's like what, the 3-hour time frame? That would be a huge cup and handle if that's what you're looking at from the person on CMC, man. But we'll see what happens here because it recently came back down to this previous support level. Just looking at harmonic patterns, guys, you know, you see the previous support and resistances. This is the 1-hour time frame, so it came down to this support level. It broke below it, but you know, I see it making a bounce back up already, right? So we'll see what happens with Cas, man, when it comes to these levels right here. It's already making a move back up on this line right here, right? So we'll see, man. We'll see if it starts moving back up from here. Like I said, in my opinion, if it retraces back down to like that 2119 mark, you guys see that's where the lines are at, 1921. If it retraces back down to those levels, perfect time to scoop up more cash. But that's what I'm doing, right? That's the best thing to do, guys. But you could already see it's making a move back up. Once it gets back above this line right here, because this is a previous resistance point right here, gets back above here, retraces, test it, and it can make another bounce up, right? Because it has to flip this previous resistance in this area, flip the resistance, turn it into support, so it could create another bounce to the upside. So we'll see what happens there. I'm always bullish on Casper, so long term I don't even care about short term price action. I'm bullish on Casper long term, man. Casper is based on Ghost Dad protocol, which is the generalization of Bitcoin consensus. This is the Casper Twitter. Ooh, look at that. Now payments coming this summer. Let's see. Nice update tweet. Casper accepted here, specializing in naming, branding, and creative marketing. Rhubarb Media accepts Cas as a payment. Serving the blockchain space since 2016, success lies in a good story well told, just like Casper. Nice, man. Look at this, man. Casper getting used by Rhubarb Media since 2016. Smaller company, but guess what? it's baby steps, right? It's just baby steps. So eventually, guess what happens? More and more companies start using Kaspa as a payment platform, because guess what? Kaspa is so fast. I think more companies will definitely be onboarded. We have a video right here from Moonshot Josh. 99% of crypto isn't ready. From Yonatoshi speaking, y'all better pay attention. Let's see if my audio is on point. Let's go.
We'll find this challenge of accelerating the blockchain very, very exciting. Just imagine taking a Bitcoin-like code and trying to get it to work with 100 blocks per second. I think it's very exciting. Of course, if you're an application dev, then you'll be more excited by the outcome of this, not necessarily by the development of this.
Super bullish stuff from Casper. Man, Jonathan is a genius. Jonathan, however it's pronounced, y'all let me know in the comment section, is a genius, man. And it's, man, he's not even like he wasn't even the type of dev to like create the protocol or be the founder of the technology and then just take a bunch of tokens for himself and wait until the project explodes to dump on retail, right? Like the Ethereum Foundation does, because they do that. Okay, nobody calls them out for it. I do. But you know, huge respect, man. Just super smart, super amazing stuff. They are not ready for what's incoming. Shout out to Moonshot Josh. From Shay to Shay, hi Cass. In 18 Israel time, we will hold our first Rust contributors dev meeting on Discord server. Okay, so they're gonna have a dev meeting with Shy. Nice stuff, man. Very nice stuff. They're gonna talk about Rust contributors done prior to launch, testnet 11, mempool refactoring, pruning, starvation, integration framework, testnet 11, P2P improvement. So shout out to Michael, Shy, Georges, Michael, Anton, Georges, Michael once again. And this is just community developers, guys. Like, they're not getting like any payment to do this, right? That's crazy to me, man. Casper got one of the strongest communities in the space. From Eyal Lablon, Casper scales up to 3,000 TPS on 10 BPS Rust testnet while scaling down transaction confirmation times. KDA scales up to 3,000 TPS without increasing confirmation times, as explained. Cass already from Shy, Cass already showing GhostDAC can easily go to 3,000 TPS, which is 5 times more than Chainweb was ever demonstrated to support. We have yet to push the limits and see how much we can really churn out of the target hardware requirements. Then he got a huge breakdown of like all the hardware requirements and how the math is calculated, man. Shout out to Shy for crushing it. From Miralib, yet another community dev is joining Cass Rust rewrite efforts. Long live community development. And that's what I'm like so blown away by, like that developers normally what blockchains do, they have to hold a hackathon and then they have to give developers grants, or you know, hackathon meaning like the best developer who creates the best technology gets some amount of money. You know, in this case it's just people that are just community developing the Casper network, right? It's crazy stuff, man. It's insane. Like, this is a beautiful community, man. Coder stuff. Yeah, I see the Go code does a lot more by checking the listeners. The local address manager seems to completely not be in the Rust code base, so I think I should just add that one module and then implement the add local address and best local address equivalents in Rust. Sounds great. If it was only the above, I wouldn't trouble you. I'm happy to write all the code necessary for this piece of work. Scope is small enough but substantial to be relevant for a new contributor. I'll be on this task this week after my work hours. Amazing. This man right here has, you know, his job, he's making his honest living and still taking the time out to help in Casper's developments, man. Crazy. Absolutely awesome. Casper news: no Binance, no Coinbase, no Kraken, no Bitfinex, no OKX, no Bybit, no Huobi, no Crypto.com. Very soon it will be all Casper. Yo, imagine the Binance and Coinbase listing OKX. Oh my gosh. Cas will be on Coinbase before you guys know it, man. I'm gonna title that video that, man. Cas on Coinbase. It's gonna happen very fast. I'm telling you. Just wait. I'm telling you. Swap Zone. Casper is revolutionizing everyday transactions with high speed and low fees. Experience transaction speeds like never before with Casper, and it just got listed on something called Swap Zone. Speed matters. Choose Casper. Nice. Traded up or down. A lot of crypto influencers are like blockbusters. They don't follow what's happening in the industry. Netflix was a game changer. Cas is a game changer. Blockbuster had to close down because of Netflix, man. Nobody was buying DVDs and Blu-ray no more, man. Failed company because they didn't adapt to what was going on, the new technology that was happening. Adapt, learn, keep up to date, and or get left behind in an industry that's moving forward. Exactly. Shout out to Traded Up or Down. The beginner's block. Cas, illuminating the path to everyday crypto transactions. Nice article from the beginner's block. Shout out to them. Huge, beautiful article. Kaspa, the revolutionary financial platform, has set up a goal of achieving 100 BPS as its transaction speed. This cutting-edge technology aims to transform the way we make payments and replace the conventional use of cards, with the potential to process transactions at such an unprecedented speed. Kaspa envisions a future where financial transactions are instantaneous, eliminating the need for physical cards and revolutionizing the way we interact with money. Imagine a world where you can complete a purchase with a simple tap or scan without the hassle of carrying multiple cards or of entering lengthy card details. Kaspa's rapid transaction speeds opens up new possibilities for seamless and efficient payments, making it a game changer in the world of finance. Nice write-up from the beginner's block. Make sure you guys go and support that on Twitter. You guys could always search for each Twitter, just pause and you could search and check out these tweets that I bring to the videos, guys. But yeah, Casper, super bullish, man. Absolutely bullish. And then to close the video out right here, Kaspa with Ethereum's market cap, because I really think it's gonna go beat Ethereum. $11 per Kaspa, man. 516x from here, and at the all-time high of Ethereum, $28 per Kaspa. Are you gonna rule it out? I know we're aiming for $1 to $5, but who's this? What could happen in the future, man? It might not be the next bull market, but what happens after the other bull market after that, when more people know about Casper and how powerful it is? You just never know. Thank y'all so much for watching, Caspians. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Blow this video up, make it go viral, get it to 10,000 views. Take the video, share it on Twitter, share it with the Casper fam. Like, actually share it so it could get out there to the YouTube algorithm. More people could learn about Casper. We get the awareness spread on YouTube as well. Also, guys, join my Crypto Elite tier on Patreon. You get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. Recently made some calls on a Pulse chain. A couple of the calls already at 2x, right? Don't miss out on the Patreon, guys. I'm telling you, only alpha on the Patreon. So yeah, support there as well. Thank y'all so much for watching once again. I'll catch you in the next one.